This video shows 3 short clips that reflect the reality of sourcing on complex capital programs, and how procurement can stay in control as designs evolve, costs shift, and delivery pressures increase. Engineering, procurement and construction. EPC projects often operate in silos, leaving design, sourcing, commercial, and procurement teams struggling to respond when specifications change. This makes it difficult to renegotiate with suppliers, maintain supply chain resilience, control budgets, and ensure consistent quality. In the first clip, we look at a real-world construction RFP. The structure will feel very familiar if you work on large, design-led EPC programs. You can see there are more than 20 separate worksheets linked to a header worksheet, and each worksheet is covering a different scope area with details. If we open the first one, General Requirements, the level of detail is immediately clear. The same depth runs through other worksheets for site works, concrete works, masonry, metal works and others. This is what happens when technical designs are translated into bill of quantities that is in short BOQ and commercial schedules, often by a client or consultant that owns the design and program but outsources construction delivery. The challenge is that when design is still evolving, whether for constructability, value engineering, carbon reduction, or program risk, traditional RFP tools struggle. Every design change, supplier clarification, or commercial adjustment creates gaps between engineering, procurement, cost management, and finance. Those gaps quickly turn into supply chain risk. What you're seeing here is a sourcing platform designed to manage that complexity digitally, rather than trying to simplify it away. In the second clip, we move to bid evaluation. At this point, suppliers have submitted the bids, often against very detailed BOQs and technical schedules. The system automatically reads each submission and understands the structure of the RFP, including multi-tab BOQs generated directly from design tools. Within minutes, procurement teams can compare bids line by line or view an overall commercial position. This dramatically reduces manual effort and shortens evaluation cycles, while maintaining accuracy and auditability. The system also supports governance in line with NEC-style collaborative working. It prevents incorrect or incomplete submissions, maintains a clear audit trail, and allows contingency options, for example, submitting a bid on behalf of a supplier if there are technical issues, without compromising transparency. Crucially, bid comparisons are generated using the client's original RFP and BOQ structure. That creates a direct digital link between design intent and commercial evaluation, helping procurement, engineering, and cost teams stay aligned. In the third clip, we look at what really matters on live programs, that is managing change using same commercial project for sourcing using multiple supplier bids. Here you can see multiple rounds of pricing linked to different design versions. For each supplier, every round is visible side by side, round 1, round 2, round 3, with the same view available across all suppliers. This reflects how capital programs actually evolve. Early designs may optimize ambition, performance, or net zero outcomes, but once pricing comes back, teams often need to rebalance cost, carbon, quality, and delivery risk. Sometimes that means value engineering. Sometimes it means adjusting specifications, materials, or construction methods. And often, it means doing this mid-program without destabilizing the supply chain or breaching program milestones. When a new round is created, the system distinguishes between a techno-commercial round, where technical design parameters change, and a purely commercial negotiation round. Technical changes are clearly communicated to suppliers, with full traceability, supporting collaboration and early contractor engagement in line with NEC principles. Procurement teams can also flex the supply chain at each stage. Underperforming suppliers can be removed. New, better aligned suppliers can be introduced. Different sourcing scenarios can be tested to improve resilience, manage risk, and protect delivery. All of this happens within the same sourcing project. Every design iteration, every negotiation round, and every supplier response is captured in one place. That means full transparency, strong governance, and a clear audit trail, something procurement excellence teams increasingly need across regulated and publicly accountable programs. To put this into context, imagine a high-rise development or major infrastructure asset in London. An initial design may come back with costs well beyond the approved business case. The design is refined, costs reduce, but perhaps at the expense of quality, performance, or embodied carbon. The design evolves again. In reality, these decisions are not theoretical. They require structured engagement with suppliers, selective repricing of impacted elements, and close coordination between design, commercial, and procurement teams, all while the program continues to move forward. This is exactly the problem this approach solves. The project stays the same. The RFP framework stays the same. But procurement teams can run multiple structured rounds, introducing updated designs, revised BOQs, or targeted commercial negotiations, without losing control of the supply chain. This enables procurement to play a stronger role in digital delivery, supporting iterative design, enabling net zero decisions, strengthening supply chain resilience, and protecting program outcomes. Ultimately, it's about giving procurement excellence teams the tools to operate at the pace and complexity of modern capital programs, and to do so with confidence, transparency, and control. Take full control of your engineering and construction projects. Reach out to us today. Send us a message or give us a call. You can also learn more at valueweaver.com. Link in the description. Let's schedule a quick conversation, and we'll walk you through a full end-to-end system demo.